Good morning, students. Today I am going to discuss our second chapter, which is units and measurement, in which today I am going to discuss the fundamental quantities and the derived quantities. First, coming to the fundamental quantities, all physical quantities which are independent of other quantities are called fundamental quantities, as mass, length, and time. These quantities are independent to any other quantity, so these are known as fundamental quantities. Now coming to next, that is derived quantities. Derived quantities are the quantities which are derived from fundamental quantities. As an example, area, velocity, and force. As we know that area is equals to length into breadth, means area involve this fundamental quantity length, so it is a derived quantity. Similarly, coming to the next, that is velocity. Velocity, we know that velocity is equals to displacement per unit time. So velocity is a quantity which depends on length as well as on time. So again it is a derived quantity. Now coming to the force. Force is equals to mass into acceleration. Means force is a quantity which is related to mass and acceleration related to length and time. So force is a quantity which relates with mass, length, and time. So it is a derived quantity. Now in SI system of units, we have 7 fundamental quantity, and by using these 7 fundamental quantity, any of the derived quantity can be expressed with the help of these fundamental quantities. These 7 fundamental quantities are length, mass, time, temperature, electric current, luminous intensity, and amount of substance. Here I have provided the units of these fundamental quantities and also the symbol of these quantity. The unit of length is meter and it denoted by symbol m. Unit of mass is kilogram and it is denoted by kg. Unit of time is second and denoted by s. Unit of temperature is Kelvin and it is denoted by K. Now the SI unit of electric current is ampere and it is denoted by A. Luminous intensity have a unit candela and its symbol is CD. Similarly, the amount of substance have a unit mole and it is represented by symbol MOL. Except these 7 quantity, we have 2 supplementary quantities which are plane angle and solid angle. Plane angle is the angle and it is measured in radian. Actually it is a angle made by any arc at the center of a circle is known as plane angle, while the angle made by any area of a spherical region on the center of a sphere is known as solid angle. They are measured respectively in radian and steradian.